applause. It's a very special moment, my dear friends. We are at the launch of Shanaya Diamonds. And as we are here today, MS Lotlikar Jewelers also complete 61 years of glorious. And right there, my dear friends, we have launched the beautiful Shanaya Diamonds, and we're going to request Srimati Shanaya Diamonds to please felicitate our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant. Can we all give a huge applause?
हांव MS लोटलीकर्स ह्या त्यांच्या 61 वर्सां पुराय जाता त्याच्या बद्दल तांचे खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. तांचो बिझनेस आनिकूय बी गोंयांत खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणांत असोच वाडूं आनिकूय वाडटलो अशी तांकां शुभेच्छा दिता. आनी मुद्दामून गोंयकारां कडेन एक मॅसेज हांव दिता. हांव जी स्वयंपूर्ण गोंय ही मॅसेज जी सातत्यान म्हाज्या भाशणांतल्यान जे दिता ते हांव इतक्याच खातीर दिता. आमचो गोंयचो ओन बिझनेसमॅन जर कोण वयर सरता आसत जाल्यार ताका आमी सपोर्ट करप ही सामकी गरज आसता. आनी ते जर आमी सपोर्ट करीत जाल्यार अशेंच म्हणजे बरेच बिझनेसमॅन जावपाक शकता. आनी ह्यो दोन गजाली खातीर एक ही देन विश्वास, ट्रस्ट, वीच इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट. आज तुमी पळयता म्हणजे आय एम नॉट गोईंग इन द डिटेल ऑफ देर बिझनेस, बट सदोदीत जो ट्रस्ट आसता पळय न्ही, विश्वास कोणाचेर दवरचो तर विश्वास आपल्या मनशाचेर दवरचो, विश्वास आपल्या गोंयकाराचेर दवरचो जाका आपूण वळखता.
It's my honor to welcome Shri Krupesh Bandolkar, Director of MS Lotlikar Jewelers, to address the gathering.
Standing here today, I am overwhelmed with a sense of gratitude. 61 years is not just a number on a calendar. It represents 2 generations of craftsmanship, thousands of hours of meticulous hard work, and a journey that began with a very small dream and a very large amount of faith. In our business, we deal in gold, silver, and diamonds, but our true currency has always been trust. My grandfather, Sri Madhukar Sridhar Lotlikar, used to say that a piece of jewelry might remain in a display case for a month, but once it enters a customer's home, it carries a reputation for a lifetime. Our legacy isn't built on bricks and mortars of our showroom, but on the purity of the metal and the transparency of our dealings. Whether it was the first gold coin we sold back in 1965 or the bridal sets we design today, that commitment to honesty and Goan artistic excellence has never wavered. I would like to extend a special thanks to Honorable Chief Minister for being here, our esteemed MLAs, all the dignitaries for being here. Your presence today is not just an honor for my family, but a testament to your support for local business that contributes to the vibrant economy and heritage of our Goa, beautiful state of Goa. To our customers, the heart of our story, thank you.
Sridhar Kuknur is currently with SRD Group Sri Ramdu Jewels as business partner and handles sales operation for Maharashtra, Goa and Karnataka. So can we give him a huge round of applause? He's going to take it forward from here. Zordar talia ho jaye dosto.
The success what you see today at Sidate Goa or Taj right now is what you are seeing. But the journey doesn't start with Sidate Goa. It starts something well back in 1965. Gentleman boy here, Madhukarji, accidentally had to fill up a form to get a lottery for a shop. He just filled it and forgot about it. After 2 days, the news flashed into newspapers saying that Madhukarji has won a shop that of 8 square meter. Tentatively, you can say it 90 square feet of a shop at that time itself. The great thing is, after applying for the lottery, he has not even seen will he get or not. Normally, usually people who go for a lottery sees to it that before the name comes, they are running behind to see who has got it. But he was not even concerned about it. But fate had something written in 1965 at that time, that one shop of 8 square meters, roughly, today the space is much bigger, there are showrooms and all, but that time that was more than enough to come. So he came up with it. His newspaper, somebody read for him, and it was declared it to the shop. That was the seed being sown. The seed was being sown at that time. Small things happened. He, as a craftsman, had trust with the people across, and he started it. As and when the days passed, the journey from that craftsmanship went ahead. MS Lotlikar was the name been given to, still carries the legacy, and after 50 years also, if you come over here, you'll find the same name will be reflecting. Products will be added, maybe Shanaya, it will be Krishna, it will be some other things, but MS Lotlikar as a brand will be there, is there, will be there for the lifetime. So there is no change in it. You can clap for this. That should be good enough. In next 10 years, hear me around what I'm going to say. In next 10 years, we are sitting on 22nd Feb 2026, right? Precisely date change in UI. And what we are talking about the decade. So exactly on next 2035, you will get for you 5 outlets of MS Lotlikar across Goa. Believe me, after 10 years, I'll be surely Sridhar Kuknur over here again to tell whatever was committed by these two brothers. As a partner, as a provider of diamonds to him, we will be always with him. So those customers, it is feeling little difficult to reach Vasco, Ponda, or any place, don't worry. We are coming over there. In next 10 years plan, we are coming out with 5 MS Lotlikar branches over there. 1, 2, and 3. Round of applause to the lady in the middle. She is the showstopper. She is the woman. She is the empowerment. She is the... people used to feel कि कृपेश और ये प्रजेश को शक्ति कहाँ से आती? ये माता है यहाँ पे. When she is standing, she is taking the whole world with her. And she says to them, don't worry, I'm always with you. And the kids also say, Mama, तेरे लिए कभी भी कुछ भी. So this is what the brightest things about it. जब माँ का हाथ सर पे होता है ना, तो सब चालू होता है. So I, as a son also, it's not only supply. The diamonds are over here itself. That is, we are making it. I have Bhavesh Bhai over here. We are into diamonds, but we give stones. This mother and Prajesh gives it to customer. When you wear it, it becomes diamond. So diamonds are not been sold. It has been worn. So don't worry about anything. Just reach to MS Lotlikar. Go for that Shanaya brand. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Can we all give a huge round of applause? Thank you so much, SK. That was wonderful. And with that, we would also request you to please felicitate the gentleman who actually brought in so much of depth and so much of being, to give us the journey in such a depth and emotional. Thank you so much. Let me welcome on stage Shri Girish Borkar, Chairperson, Mormugaon Municipal Council, to please come and join us to share a few thoughts.
बरेचदा जेन्ना वास्कोचें नांव इतलें फामाद जाता आनी तें नांव MS लोटलेकरान करून दाखयलां. कितलींच वर्सां जालीं आमकां जाल्यार लायफ पळोवंक मेळ्ळें एज अ चेअरपर्सन म्हणून. आमी नेवेत जेन्ना ऑफिस तेंचें शोरूम जेन्ना ओपन केलो फोंड्या, तेन्ना हांवूच आशिल्लो आनी आमचे लेट रवी नायक सर जे मिनिस्टर आसले ते आतां आमचे ना. आयज शनाया तेंचे चली धाकटें आपूण बरें नोटी आहा, म्हाजें बरें फ्रेंड तें. हांव फ्रेंड म्हणटा म्हणल्यार आमचें सारकें क्लोज रिलेशन आहा. हांव MSच म्हणटा लोटलेकाराक, तेजें नांवूय केन्ना घेयना. दे आर व्हेरी क्लोज टू मी, तेंची फूल फॅमिली. आनी जें तेंच्यांनी वास्को खातीर केलां, खरेंच आमचें वास्को पयलीं भशेन ना जशें वास्को आसलेलें, पूण खंय तरी आतां आमचें डेवलप जावपाक लागलां. आनी तेचो मेन आमचो MS लोटलेकरांचो तेंचो हातभार आसा. तेंच्यांनी ते शोरूम घातल्या, तो आतां 8 स्क्वेअर मिटरची जागा म्हणटाली, ती 8 स्क्वेअर मिटरची आमची म्युन्सिपालिटी जागा दिसता ती. थंयसर तेंच्यांनी सुरवात केल्ली आनी आतां तेंचो एक 2-3 ऑलरेडी वास्कोन शोरूम जाल्ले आसा.
We would also love to hear from Shri Kamla Prasad Sarpanch Chikali to join us on the stage.
First of all, I like to congratulate our very close friend, Prajesh and Kripesh. They are very close friend, and you can say small brother to me, because our journey is more about similar what just now Kuknur sir explained everybody. So I like to wish them all the best for their new venture, Shanaya Diamonds. May God give them strength. Not only that entire 5 branches, I was expecting and Pan India he'll be launching, because both the brothers are very hardworking and very ambitious. So may God give them strength to expand not only in Goa, because I see that out of Goa also. I wish them all the best once again. Entire family, because they are very close to me and they are neighbors actually in Dabolim. So we see their hard work. The relation which Lotlikar family has kept in entire Vasco. Now my friend Girish explained that the family is very down to earth. Everybody appreciates and the trust of their brand, MS Lotlikar. I think so in Vasco, there is very less competition to them, because they have raised their bar on such a high that I don't think so any near competition is there. May God give them strength. Once again, I wish them all the best.
We would also love to hear a few words from Shri Krishna Daji Salkar, MLA Vasco constituency. Can we all give a huge round of applause?
आज खूप बरं दिसता. I have been a councillor for Vasco city earlier before becoming MLA for the last 15 years. आणि 15 म्हणजे 15-20 वर्सां पयलीं हांव जेन्ना वोट मागपाक भोंवतालो तेन्ना पसून हांव तांच्या शॉपा कडल्यान वतालो. म्हणजे ताजेय पयलीं हांव पयलां तांकां शॉप, पूण एक्टिवली आमी भांगर घेवपाचें थंय नाशिल्ले, सो आमी वचनाशिल्ले. पूण जशें जशें पॉलिटिक्सान आयलो, आय यूज टू गो दॅट सायड आनी तांच्या आईक पळयतालो हांव सदांच. एवरी वन हियर मस्ट हॅव सीन देम स्ट्रगल, एवरी वन मस्ट हॅव सीन देअर हार्डवर्क. आनी तसो आमीय पळयला तांचो हार्डवर्क, आमीय पळयला. जरी प्रदेश आनी कृपेशा कडेन आमची वळख 10-15 वर्सां जायत, 10 वर्सां जायत मॅक्झिमम, बट आमी सगळ्यांनी तांचो हार्डवर्क पळयला. सदांच हांसकुरे तोंड दवरून ते थंय आसताले, धाकटें दुकान आसतना वचून. आनी जे जे हांगा व्हिडियोन दाखयल्या ते म्हाका दिसता सगळेच खरे आसात. म्हणजे तातूंत भितर एक शब्द पसून हें नासता, कित्याक आमी तेन्ना वताले तेन्ना हांवूच म्हणटालो अरे भांगराच्या दुकानान तितलें भांगर दिसत ना अशें म्हणून. पूण तांची आज कळटा तें कित्या खातीर नाशिल्लें तें, नाजाल्यार हें कित्या खातीर जालें तें. पूण सदांच भांगर आमी जेन्ना घेवपा वता, नाजाल्यार डायमंड आमी घेवपा वता, तेन्ना आमी सदांच पळयता तो ट्रस्ट. आनी एक हंबल बिगिनी कडल्यान सुरवात केलें ह्या दोगूय जाणांनी भावांनी. आज येदो मोठो म्हणजे आज डायमंड हातून वचपी म्हाका दिसता तुमी, आय डोंट नो वेदर यू आर द फर्स्ट म्हणजे वी शूड ऑल कॉंग्रेच्युलेट देम. म्हणजे पयले यंग एंटरप्रेनर्स म्हणटा तशें हू आर वेंचरींग इन टू अ व्हेरी रिस्क टेकींग हें म्हणटा तशें. आनी म्हाका दिसता तांचेरूय विश्वास दाखयला तुमी. यू ऑल हॅव शोन ट्रस्ट ऑन देम. आय थिंक सो युअर ट्रस्ट वोंट बी ब्रोकन एनी हाव. And we all Goans know, especially Vascogars, we know how they are, and the biggest name of trust in Goa. आणि भांगर घेवपा खातीर आज MS लोटलीकर ज्वेलर्स आसा. आमकांय केन्ना गरज पडटा तेन्ना आमी सद्या तांचेच कडेन घेता. जशी अशी वळख जाल्या तशी हें आतां. आय विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट. आनी जे त्रास तुज्या आवयन काडल्या नाल्यार तुज्या बापायन काडल्या, म्हाका दिसता आज खंय तुजो पप्पा वयर आसतलो, he must be the happiest person seeing you all grow in such a nice manner and still remaining rooted to the ground. That is most important. जशें जशें आमी वयर सरता एक एकदां आमी विसरतात, आमी हें जाता आनी आमकां इगो येता, आमकां खूब प्रावड फिलींग जाता. पूण प्रजेश आनी कृपेश म्हाका दिसता अजून पर्यंत तांचे पांय हाजेर आमी म्हणटा तशें धर्तीचेरूच आसा आनी ते अशेंच उरचे म्हाका दिसता. देर इज नो डावट एज यू हॅव ग्रोन, म्हणजे एक शोरुमा वयल्यान 2 शोरूम, आतां पोंडा शोरूम व्हडलो जालो. अँड सून वी वील बी सीइंग अ व्हेरी बीग शोरूम इन वास्को ऑल्सो. वी आर ऑल वर्किंग फॉर इट. अँड if that happens, maybe that will be one of the best showrooms in Goa. And we are praying for them that to जावचो बेगीन.
We would also love to welcome on stage Shri Movin Godino, Minister of Transport, Industries, Trade and Commerce, Panchayati Raj, Protocol and Hospitality and Legislative Affairs, MLA of Dabulim constituency. Can we all go ahead and give a huge round of applause?
First of all, hearty congratulations on launching Shanaya Diamonds. MS Lotlikar is a known brand, and it gives us and must give us immense pride when a goan rises at this level. Today, as you all know, Goa by itself is a huge brand. It's a brand name. And MS Lotlikar, I think, adds more value to that brand name. People like your family, MS Lotlikar brand has added value to that. You must realize that. Hearty congratulations for that. Another very important thing I want to state here is, as businesses grow, as you increase in size, gold is something which is most valuable for everyone. I think the amount of gold what our country holds is a huge quantity. In fact, we would be world number 1 if you really get that gold out. Whether it is individually by people, whether it is by our temples holding gold, there would not be more gold available if our gold comes out. But in today's world, we also talk about, while talking about gold, before coming to the other thing, we talk about women empowerment, building up women for the future, partaking in politics, rising in positions, in business. But here, in the persona of Sushma ji, we had a rare personality who combined her work at home, business, looking after children, looking after all the other things a woman needs to do. First of all, you must applaud her and salute her. In difficult times, when Mr. Sridhar was there no more, she took upon this task, onerous task of looking after the business, looking after the other things what matter. But I must say one thing. You would grow in business, everything will grow for you, but you must grow in trust. May I say, MS Lotlikar jewelers have grown in trust in the heart of the people. And while you talk of gold, I think that you people possess a golden heart is known to all Vascocars and the whole of Goa now, after you have established yourself in Ponda, which is very central to Goa. So I think that itself speaks volume. And I only hope that you will not think of, as said by a gentleman here, Mr. Kuknur, that you would perhaps be aiming for 5 branches. Why 5 branches? You can grow much more. It's all in the head. If you young, two dynamic people decide, you can grow much more. And from diamonds, and you know, diamonds are forever. Growth is forever. The way our country is rising today, it is the contribution of every individual. It is the contribution of people like you. You are adding value in our country. It is not only gold. It is the golden touch which requires to propel the economy, which requires to move forward in manners that sometimes you think is impossible. But I think with your mother's blessing, both of you, Prajesh and Brijesh, you both have done it. So please do it over and over again in your mind, you will automatically grow. You will make, I think, Goa proud. As I said, MS Lotlikar will be much known more across the country, and in times to come, have it in you, have it in your ambition, have it in your planning.
Yes, we are here for the launch of Shanaya Diamonds, and as you can see, we have something very unique and special for all of you. We have a fashion show by Anusha Sheikh for displaying all the beautiful jewelry by MS Lotlikar Jewelers. Can we give a huge round of applause? Can you give the loudest applause ताकि पूरे गोवा में गूंजे कि we are here. We're gonna start with the fashion show. So let's have the first round of the fashion show begin. Request the owner and the director, Mr. Brajesh Pandolkar, to please join us on the stage for the vote of thanks.
On behalf of MS Lotlikar Jewelers, I would like to thank each and everyone for attending our 61st anniversary and a Shanaya Diamond launch. It was a pleasure to see everyone engaged in a meaningful manner. Special thanks to our Honorable CM Dr. Pramod Sawant, our Minister Movin Godino, our MLA Daji Saika sir, Chikalem Panchayat Sarpach Kamla Prasad Yadav, and Girish Borkar, Marunga Council Chairperson. Thank you so much for attending our event. It was a great pleasure. Thank you so much.
Well, with that, thank you so much, sir. With that, we would give you a round of applause. So can we all go ahead and say a big thank you to you? Thank you for joining us. With that, we come towards the end of this lovely, lovely occasion.